Welcome to Chapter 9 Argument Practice Video Tutorial. So we're going to do a quick little exercise with some questions here. Now remember, an argument. When evaluating an argument, you have to make sure it's valid support. And the best thing would be figuring out what's the main idea, what's the point. Now in this case here, in group 1 here, 3 of these out of A, B, C, or D, 3 of them are supporting details or support. And one of them is the point or the main idea. So we look here. A says Einstein demonstrated that time and space are not absolute. B, and Einstein revealed that light is composed of tiny particles called photons. C, Albert Einstein changed the world of physics. And D, Einstein showed that energy and matter are linked. So on here, we know we're talking about Einstein. So that is our topic. Again, remember a topic, going back to main idea and supporting details. Topic are words that are repeated. Could be 1, could be 2 or 3 different words. That's what your subject is. So we know our subject is Albert Einstein. So on here, we have to figure out what is the general statement. What 3 of these are going to be support? Well, correct answer here is what? And then we're going to go with C. Because look, he changed the world of physics. So what has to do with physics? Well, talking about time and space, photon particles, energy and matter are linked. So all these support the idea of physics. They fall under the subject of physics. Next one. Again, one statement's going to be the point or main idea of the argument, and 3 of these are going to be the support. So A says a lightning bolt is hotter than the sun's surface. B, lightning strikes the earth approximately 8 million times a day. C, lightning is a phenomenon of awesome power and scope. D, a lightning bolt can travel at 200 million miles per hour. So on here, we know our topic is lightning. So the argument is going to be something about lightning. Now, remember, arguments are going to be more specific. They give more statistics. They give stats. And if you look at A, B, and D, they all have some kind of statistic, a fact. A, on the other hand, I know, it's saying that it's hotter, that lightning bolt is hotter than the sun's surface. So it's comparing, and we can prove that by looking it up and everything like that. So we know it's about lightning. So it can't be the argument because it's not talking about comparing how hot the lightning bolt is to a sun, and then we don't have supporting details. That's just one statement. So we know it's going to be the support for the lightning. So the only thing we are left with is C. That is our argument, C. Next one. We have here, cockroaches can thrive in extreme climates. B, cockroaches can survive being crushed by 900 times their body weight. C, cockroaches can withstand 5 times as much radioactivity as humans. And D, cockroaches are champions of survival. So our topic here is, yes, cockroaches. So on here, we're talking about cockroaches. And what are they trying to say about the cockroaches? Well, again, 3 of these, they have specific details. They're telling them that they can thrive in extreme climates. Oh, then they can lift the 900 and they can survive being crushed by 900 times their body weight and withstand 5 times as much radioactivity. So all these things showing how they can survive then goes with this one, D. So that's the main argument, and then they give you the examples for that. So that brings us an end to this practice exercise for Chapter 9. I hope it was helpful. Again, when you click on your Canvas assignments, it should help you a little bit more. Be a little bit more specific, as well as your textbook has more exercises as well. So thank you, and please keep an eye out for Chapter 10, Argument Practice Video Tutorial. Thank you.